Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
All right, the next person we are gonna bring on board, we are gonna bring also, um, one of our. I mean, his story to me was very, very equally inspiring. When he called me and he said, "Hey, bro, I mean, it has happened." I said, "Okay, this is one of those exciting moments too." So I'm thankful. Without further ado, hey, Mr. Dimmy. All right, how are you, brother?
Good evening, everyone.
Excellent.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
That the hard work is always there,
Oh yeah.
always calling, "Hey, bro, I have this going on. Hey, this interview, this." So consistency is the key word I've seen in you. So honestly, when you called me and said, "Hey, I got this offer going," I was not surprised. I just said, "Hey, you know what? You've put the work." So tell me your experience, brother. Tell me what your story is and how did you get there? What did you do right? What were the challenges? Just your show.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Like me, I'll call you Prof. Like me and my friend, the one that I introduced that is from Canada that is in this the class recent class we just graduated from.
Yeah.
You will say Prof. So Prof, thank you so much. You might not remember the first time I called you. I think that was 2022 December. I was struggling with the job I got then. And then I'll never forget, you helped me without taking a dime. You gave me resources, even though I eventually lost the job. But I'm thankful that you helped me. And it took forever to come to your class, but I mean, I came to your class within 5 weeks. It was in the space of the 5 weeks. I mean, the space of the 5 weeks. The fifth week, I completed. I had an interview. I sent you the job description. I told you I wanted to come to the Lions. Then I think it was filled up. We couldn't come, but I put in the strength, the energy. But I mean, if I didn't learn anything from this class, I mean, anybody online listening and watching, please don't joke with the AI section. It's really helpful. It taught me a lot of stuff that helped me. I mean, coming from IT audit background that I studied for, took classes, got a job, couldn't cope. It was hybrid, lost it, but came back to this class and within 5 weeks, and I got a job and to resume soon. And it was the recruiter was reaching out to me while I was working, doing my regular job right now, and reaching out to me from LinkedIn and saying, I saw your profile and I thought it was a joke. We talked about it, sent my information to the account manager, did the interview, okay, scheduled me for an interview. She came back, she was like, it was going to be two rounds of interview. The first one is going to be a 1 hour video, the second one is going to be in the office. Uh, 2 days to the interview, she called me again and she was like, I'm afraid the CISO is going to be on the call, so it's going to be three people, but don't panic, just try your best and all of that. Well, with good faith, I jumped on the interview on that fateful day. I mean, the CISO didn't even show up. The two guys talked and talked, and I mean, after the interview, they said it was going to last for an hour. It was like less than 40 minutes, and then I just, I mean, I didn't remember it. I forgot it because I mean, I used to call myself a veteran in interviews because I've done millions, hundreds of interviews.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Week, I got a call from the recruiter. I'm like, oh, I know the number she calls from. I'm like, any update? I was thinking like she was gonna say, I'm sorry, they are moving to somebody else. He was like, they want to give you an offer for real, but I'm not gonna talk about the money because the job I lost was a good money, six figure, and but honestly, this is more than it. I'm thankful to God and I'm thankful to Prof. He's been awesome. He's been a good mentor. I mean, please listen to him, reach out to him when you can, and like he always say, he knows if you're putting the work. He knows, and then I feel like I'm always bothering him, but I mean because I'm desperate. I just wanted this job and that's what I want to do. I mean, when you have people that do this stuff around you and you see them doing it, They don't have two heads. So why won't I be able to do it? Just believe. I mean, if I tell you my background, whatever, all the stuff I've done in the United States, I mean, is way different from tech. But if I can do those stuffs, man, there's nothing I can do. So I mean, I want everybody to believe in yourself. Just put the energy, the hard work, and with God's grace, I believe you will get there. I mean, I'm thankful, and just keep pushing, keep pushing. You will get there. Thank you so much.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
And one thing I love he said is, I can spot it from a mile when somebody is putting the work. It's easy to tell, and it's okay. I love hungry people. I don't, I don't know about your experiences. I'm not one of those unapproachable instructors. I may not get to you immediately, but I have a segment and a time I dedicate to look out for my text, emails, and within I have a team that supports me, so it's just not me, but mostly they push things that I need to deal with, and I will spend an hour or so to go through it. So I would always get to it. So give us that grace. Within a day, we would always get back. Definitely. If it's urgent, call me, then we'll try and see how we can make it happen. But he was extremely consistent. And for me, I love fighters. He doesn't care. Even when I tell him, hey, bro, he will still call me. So I know when somebody is just hungry. A friend of mine tells me, the way you run is determined by what is chasing you. Somebody, if you are chased by a tortoise or a snail, you will take your time. If you are chased by a tiger, lion, you would run faster. Somebody told me, brother, I am chased by a lion and tiger together. So, the speed. So it depends on you. Whatever your story is, what is moving and pushing you at the moment. We are respectful in our community, but at the same time, we don't take excuses. Excuses devalues you. We just don't take it in our community well, really. Don't make excuse. Don't use children as crutches. Don't use spouses as crutches. Don't use life, because it will always happen to all of us. Life would happen, right? So we just have to take the bull by the horn, be focused, execute, take it serious. My role as a mentor, I will detach from life, from everybody, and focus on your dream. So I'm the one protecting the baby. So you might think I'm not sensitive. I'm very sensitive to your issues when you tell me, but I'm more focused on the baby you gave me. When we start, we always do like a poll. You see me, so I look at that every time. So I know what you told me is this is my goal. So in my head, I'm just okay. I'm holding this baby. It's a big responsibility you gave me. So we're gonna work hard together. Put the work, put the time, and we know good things always happen. Thank you so much, Dami. Let me see. We have one question for Dami before we let Dami also go.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
I appreciate you so much. Godspeed, man. More to come, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you for making it. All right, let's let Dami go so that we can we just wrap up. I know most of you were here for the couple of other calls. Okay.
Join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.